What's going on YouTube? This is Vick Almighty with Reshoevn8r here to remind you guys about our April giveaway. This month, the winner will be scoring a pair of Air Jordan Cactus Jack 4s and a cleaning kit. To enter, just click on the link in the comments below and that'll take you to our website to enter. If you were to win these Cactus Jack 4s, where would you wear them? Comment below and we'll see who has the best answer. I know if I was to win these, which I can't, I would wear these on a lovely day with my girlfriend to the new Avengers movie. So, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all our giveaways and all things Reshoevn8r. Once again, this is Vick Almighty. I'll see you guys next time.